Beautiful. Sounds beautiful. Wait a minute. I just green. It just looks the most brightest. Reminds me of Sonny Ericsson, which also put at one of those lights. Hey, the light changes. Holy shit. Oh, what the fuck? Beautiful. I want this Samsung in my collection, man. Holy fuck. I'm gonna ask for my friend if I can buy this thing. I'm gonna ask my friend if I can buy this thing for him for $10, because this is absolutely amazing, man. I did not thought they would use this little light. Wow, that light. Very good speaker as well. It's going crazy. Hopefully the battery doesn't drain because of this. Look at that light, dude. Holy cow. That speaker sounds absolutely amazing. It's going crazy, man. Oh my god. I know this from... I've heard that on different Samsungs. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. That light is absolutely raving. Well, my birthday is almost gone, so... Thank you. Oh. This is disco phone. I'm gonna buy a charger for this phone. I really am. Even if it's $30. I love this LED. It just makes everything worth. There's definitely some dirt in the hinge. Yeah, holy shit, there's some dirt inside there. Oh. Yeah, it vibrates. It vibrates. $808. What is this? I like this one. This speaker sounds absolutely amazing. Oh my god, rave party going on right there. I mean, there's no one in this house unless it's me, so I'm not gonna wake up my neighbors with this. Holy cow, dude. Look at that changing. Holy fuck, man. Oh my god. Alright, this one, I also know this one. I love this phone, man. How older your Samsung phone is, the better it really is. Oh my gosh. That's an absolute annoying ringtone, but this disco is absolutely... What? Oh my fucking god. Bird sounds. Oh, I like that. I really love bird sounds, although it's very, very... This is where the speaker is starting to suffer. It's probably starting to eat battery. Oh my gosh, I love this phone. Talking about phone, my phone is heating up as well. It's not liking it. Just chilling here, man. Chilling. Pure chillingness. It's already worth it. It took ages to actually get the battery working, but it's already worth it. Oh yeah, this one. I love this one. Christmas dance. That's what it says. Well, it's almost Christmas, my friends. Sorry for the bad viewing angles. But then I cover up the LED, which I don't wanna. I love this one. Maybe I'm just gonna set this one. Rain Prelude. That's what it says. Never heard of this. I thought they're gonna just put an LED on here just for the sake of it, but no. A ton of features and such a small little boy. Is it heating up or warming up? Kinda. No, fuck. Shit, I just quit it. Yeah, I love this one. I don't know, I just love this one. Snow. Nah, there's definitely no snow in my place. This sounds like Roblox. Hey, talking about cats. Hey, let's just change the ringtone to what it was. Blah blah blah. It's gonna vibrate again. Is phone warming up? Yeah, it's kind of warming up. Well, it drains one bar, but there's only one more thing to do. Lovely device. I love you, man. I'm really gonna miss this phone if I have to give it back to my friend. I really want to get a charger for this boy. But I don't know if it's actually worth it, because I know it was an absolute pain in the ass to get this battery charging. It made me depressive and things like that. I've crippling depression, and yeah. I don't know how many of these Samsungs with this charger exist. I mean, Samsung has gone through 4 types of chargers or something, so I don't know how much it's worth it is. Let me know in the comments if it's worth to doing it. Also, it just looks like a spoon. It just really does. This is the weirdest shape ever. But yeah. Hey, it is already worth more than his Apple iPhone, because it has a headphone jack. Not a 3.5mm one, but at least it has one. Yes, you can charge and listen to music at the same time. Stupid Apple. Haha. Love you, Samsung.